How to fix WhatsApp to video call, allow WhatsApp access to your microphone and your camera. So the first step is by opening your settings app and then scroll down to the bottom of the page until you can see WhatsApp. So this is in alphabetical order, so you may be able to see WhatsApp on the bottom of the page. Simply click on WhatsApp and make sure to turn on the camera and microphone access that you can see right here. So if you don't have that one, then simply go to WhatsApp and try calling someone. For example, this one. I'll call it and then simply click on call group. Make sure to click on OK. Click on OK once again, and then there you go. So once you have that, once you go back to settings, you may be able to see microphone and camera right here. Make sure to turn on both by clicking on this toggle button right here. So now go back to your WhatsApp, try calling someone once again, and then there you go. That's how you can fix WhatsApp to video call, allow WhatsApp access to your camera and your microphone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.